Okay, in the first time I will just remove the part which is behind the printer to check if there is a piece of paper which is in the printer. So check it, and after, when you finish it, you just put the part, you put it in the printer. Well, for the instance, it doesn't solve the problem, so I have to check another thing, and I will just move the print head here to check if there is a piece of paper which is in the printer, and that's the case. So I try with to take it, but that's a good solution. I preconize to use a screwdriver. So you turn the gear, and after you just have to take the piece of paper. And now we can try again if it solves the problem. Yes, it's okay.